Hello guys, I swear if anybody laughs, I will come to your house and pour hot water in your eyelids. Yes, it will hurt. Okay? Okay. And someone will, but I still will come to your house and pour water in your eyelids. So, yeah. Okay. My Nintendo messed up. Oh, yeah, you guys are probably already laughing. I think you saw that. But, here's what's wrong with it. And before I talk about it, listen to me. My brother gave it to me when I was 6, okay? Don't laugh. Just don't. It's not funny. Well, it kind of is funny, but I don't want to be laughed at. Okay. Turn it on the TV. Okay, video. Okay. I got a game in there. It's so cute. Okay, so I hit the power. They blink. Nothing pops up on the screen, and that's the reflection from the window. Nothing pops up. What the heck? Take it back off. Turn it back on. Poopy. Okay, so here's and to play Majora's Mask, I just got it. You need an expansion pack, right? Hold on. Gotta get that out. Is this considered an expansion pack? Like, would that be able to play Majora's Mask? Put it back in right, I hope. Okay, now we'll try a different game. My favorite game of all time. My number one favorite game of all time. Okay. Neither of the Zeldas work, which are two really awesome, amazing, godly games. And then one of my other favorite Nintendo games. Press to restart. Watch, they'll keep blinking, but after a while they'll just stop. See? It's frozen. See, what the heck? We'll try one more for the video. I usually buy these at garage sales. And ta-da! All three of those cord things are plugged in. These back things are all plugged in. I need help. Somebody teach me how to fix it. Okay, goodbye. Hope you guys watch it and comment how to help. Please. If you don't, I'll kill you. Pour water in your eyelids. Okay, goodbye. Wait, I want this to be exactly 4 minutes.